alright. By grace, through faith, not by works, mercy speak. Was lost but now I see. Chains fall off, I'm free. Grace reach out to me, set my spirit free. Like a voice call out my name, through the guilt and through the shame. Still his love remains the same, never place the blame. Redeemed by his mercy, not by my hand. Lift me up when I can't stand, even when I don't understand. Still you have a plan. Redeemed by his mercy, pure and true. Carry me when I can't move. Make me whole and make me new. Every promise you prove. To the Father trying day by day. Work done but still must find a way. Heavy load and bills to pay. Still don't lose your way. To the mother wiping tears at night, holding on with all her might. Even there within the fight, you are in his sight. With a heart that's torn in two, love gone cold, don't know what to do. Mercy still reaching you, healing, breaking through. My grace is sufficient for you. To the one who feel left behind, lost in body, soul or mind. Even there, his love you'll find. Gentle, strong and kind. When your strength begin to fade and the road feel unpaved, know the price already paid. Don't you be afraid, not by works or what I do. Mercy carry me through. Oh, life fade like morning dew. Now